so hard, man. And our occupations make it very challenging because there are so many places where it's not convenient or allowed to take your son to work with you. So I get that. It's super challenging. But a couple of the things that I say to dads, you need to take over as the primary disciplinarian. And by that, I mean the authority figure in the home and even to be a firewall between your sons and your wife. And you say to your 13, 15-year-old son, I love you, you're my son, but this is my wife and you will respect my wife. And this is your mother and you will respect your mother. And to have that kind of authority that you bring to the situation.